What if you could create professional quality music almost anywhere with a device small enough to fit in your backpack? Today we're reviewing the Teenage Engineering Op-XY, a premium portable music workstation featuring 8 unique synth engines, a built-in sampler, 64-step sequencer, integrated microphone, built-in speaker, and an ultra-portable design made for modern music creators. But with its premium price tag, is the Op-XY actually worth buying? Let's find out. The Op-XY is designed for musicians, producers, composers, and electronic music enthusiasts who want a complete portable production setup. Unlike traditional synthesizers that focus on just one function, this device combines synthesis, sampling, sequencing, sound design, and live performance into a compact workstation. Whether you're producing beats on the road, sketching song ideas, or performing live, the Op-XY aims to provide professional creative tools without requiring a full studio. Its minimalist teenage engineering design also makes it instantly recognizable. Let's start with sound creation. One of the biggest highlights is the inclusion of 8 unique synthesis engines, giving users a wide range of sound design possibilities, from analog-style leads and basses to modern digital textures and experimental sounds. The built-in sampler allows users to record, edit, and manipulate custom sounds, adding another layer of creativity. For composing music, the 64-step sequencer provides detailed control over patterns, melodies, bass lines, drums, and automation, making it easy to build complete tracks directly on the device. This combination gives producers tremendous creative flexibility without relying on external software. The Op-XY also focuses on portability and workflow. Its built-in microphone allows users to capture sounds, vocals, and ambient recordings for instant sampling. The integrated speaker makes quick music creation possible without needing headphones or external monitors. Despite its compact size, the interface is designed to support both studio production and live performance. The portable design encourages creativity wherever inspiration strikes, whether you're traveling, in a cafe, backstage, or working in your home studio. In everyday use, the Op-XY delivers an impressive music production experience. The synthesis engines produce rich, detailed sounds while the sampler expands creative possibilities even further. The sequencer is powerful enough to build complete arrangements, making it suitable for electronic music production, beat making, film scoring ideas, and experimental composition. The device's portability is one of its greatest strengths. Instead of carrying multiple pieces of equipment, users can sketch ideas almost anywhere using one compact instrument. For musicians who value mobility without sacrificing creative control, the Op-XY stands out as a highly capable production tool. So, is the Teenage Engineering Op-XY worth buying? If you're looking for a high-end portable synthesizer and music production workstation, the answer is yes. With 8 synthesis engines, built-in sampling, 64-step sequencing, integrated microphone, built-in speaker, and an incredibly portable design, it offers a complete creative environment for modern musicians. While its premium price may place it beyond casual hobbyists, serious producers, performers, and electronic musicians will appreciate its unique workflow, sound quality, and portability. If you'd like to check the latest Amazon price or available discounts, you'll find the affiliate link in the description below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews of music gear, synthesizers, studio equipment, creative technology, and Amazon bestsellers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.